Everyone has important files. Your family photos and videos, budget and tax documents, work presentations, and spreadsheets. Lots of files that take up lots of space. And accessing those important files, that's, well, super important. Introducing OneDrive Files on Demand, fully integrated across your personal and work OneDrive, and even SharePoint. OneDrive Files on Demand allows you to access your files in the cloud, right from your device, without downloading them and using up valuable space. And what's better, you can even choose which files you want available offline, which makes accessing important files, well, super easy. And because this is OneDrive, you can get to your files from any device. So you'll always have your important presentations, spreadsheets, and those must-have photos with you. Even that one. Start working with OneDrive and OneDrive Files on Demand today.